Hi everyone, it's Artis. Welcome to the channel. Today's video we're going to review this little Makita skill saw. It's a DHS680, so it's one of the compact ones, 165mm blade. The features: your parallel guide, slot for your parallel guide front and back, so this is to tighten it up. So this is the lever to adjust your angle. So it's from 0 to 45, unless, if you see, there's a screw here. You can see the screw. You can get access to from the underside with the Allen key. So you can adjust it maximum to 50, but you got to screw it here. So if you need to. This is 18-volt version. You can get 40-volt versions as well now, but they are a lot dearer. So the port for dust extraction, your hook to go onto the timber, if you're on your joist, rafters, whatever you're doing. This is your Allen key to change the blade. This is your locking for the pad, main pad, and also it has some dials for rough gauge of the measurements. So does the front here. You got obviously your rough guide on where you are. Also, what's new from the previous gen which I had, there's an LED light. Is there? Let me get the battery in so I can show you. So you can see. Yeah, so it's got a light which is very handy, especially in days like this and in low visibility areas. So just to show you, so the blades, as for blades, what I would say, have a thinner curve, because then it will last, the batteries will last longer. Oh, forgot to mention, so this is your safety lever to press down before you start it, and there's a gauge which shows what power output to give at certain times. So yeah, it's a nice little saw. The pad on a previous one was metal. This seems to be sort of some sort of cast pad, so it seems to be better to me. What we'll do now, I have set up, and I need to do some cuts, so what we'll do some cuts so you can see it in action. And we're also going to use our good old Makita Hoover, which is brilliant for stuff like this. So let me just grab a square. You can square this up. So we're going to be doing some trenching as a test. Very important to have a new blade, which I have fitted. I must say these DeWalt blades are quite good and they're quite affordable. So that's what I seem to be getting for this small Makita skill saw. Don't forget about safety, goggles on. It did quite a good job, as you can see. So the cutting depths are fully blade down. I think it's 51 millimeters. Let me just, oh sorry, 57 millimeters. When you go on angle, it's 41, 45 angle. So unfortunately you won't be able to use this for cutting jack rafters. So that's a downside. Mostly you can use it still to cut straight, you know, your normal rafters, etc. But yeah, all in all, quite impressed. Again, it's a nice little tool, and yeah, hope you enjoyed it, and I catch up with you in our next videos.